alley cat. She is a lot like you. She's wondering about what math can do. Come on along. Come on along. Come on along.
Sally's going on the math path, swinging into action.
Come on along.
Sally's going on the math path, patterns and subtraction.
Come on along.
Sally's going on the math path, fractions and addition.
Come on along.
Sally's going on the math path to meet the math magician.
Come on along.
Hey, aren't you gonna chase me? Nah, I'm too busy counting. Aw, but what fun is that?
What fun is that? Let me tell you all of the things that numbers can do.
Who are you?
I'm Pop the Math Explorer, and I'll lead you on a journey to discover number powers in a math world full of learning. You'll learn fractions, measurement, multiplication, and addition. You will journey through 10 math lands, and you'll meet the math magician.
Wow, let's go! I want to find the math magician. How do we get there?
Here's your map. Now follow me. And click on me whenever you want to see your journey options.
All right, let's go. I'll come too. I can help. We'll start on the math journey spiral and explore while we click, look, and listen. As we follow the path, we'll use more and more math and discover the math magician.
Click on the flashing star to continue your journey. We're off to the land of patchwork patterns.
Why? It's a colonial community.
Quite quaint, really.
And quiet, too.
Something tells me that's about to change.
Can you help this quilting bee to cut her cards in two? She's having a party for Clara Quail, whose baby chicks are due.
To turn the page and hear my story, click on the page turn arrow. To turn the page and hear my story, click on the page turn arrow.
Click on two hives to draw a line across each invitation. Your line should make two matching halves, a symmetrical creation. Sarah's spider has 8 legs and 2 wide open eyes. Draw a line diagonally and create 2 matching sides. This card is for someone who knows her shapes quite well. We'll want her at the party. Who is it? Can you tell? The party day is finally here. Our bee is so excited. All the friends she sees down the road are the ones she had invited. The party day is finally here. I'm so glad you decided to come to the quilting bee. This is the line of symmetry. It divides the pattern into 2 equal parts. Pick a fabric shape and drag it to the gray part of the quilt design. Place it so it matches with the other side. Press the space bar if you need to turn the shape. Parallelogram.
Yippee!
Parallelogram.
Right. Ribbit.
Triangle. Square. Press the space bar if you need to turn the shape.
Right. Yippee!
The design is symmetrical. It's pretty. Nice work. The baby quails with the blankets show how many quilts you've completed. Complete 5 quilt designs to collect an activity star. Click on your baby quail with the blanket to make your next quilt design. Rectangle.
Yippee!
Trapezoid. Polygon.
Right. Ribbit.
Triangle.
Yippee!
Polygon. Trapezoid. Square. The design is symmetrical. We did it! Way to go! Rectangle.
Yippee!
Rectangle. Triangle.
Yippee!
Rectangle.
Try again.
Triangle.
Right. Right. Ribbit. Yippee! Right. 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 Ribbit.
The design is symmetrical. That looks great. Good job. Rectangle.
Right. Ribbit.
Trapezoid.
Right.
Trapezoid.
Yippee! Yippee! Yippee!
Triangle.
Yippee! Try again.
Triangle.
Sorry.
Right, rivet. Yippee! 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 Right, rivet. Right. Yippee! Right, rivet.
The design is symmetrical. That looks great. Good job. Square.
Right, rivet. Right. Yippee! Right.
Triangle. Triangle.
Yippee! Right. Right.
Triangle.
Yippee!
Triangle.
Try again. Try again. Try again.
Polygon.
Yippee! 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 Right. Yippee! Right.
Sorry.
The design is symmetrical. We did it! Way to go!
Superstar!
Click on Exit if you need a rest, or keep clicking on the baby quails to choose your own quilt design.
by evenly matching all that we see and hear.
Yowie! That math souvenir may help us find the math magician. Click on the help balloons and I'll read them out loud. A sugarcane field? Will we find a math magician here?
Well, poke around a bit and see what you find.
Okay, but I sure hope it all adds up to something.
It will, if you take something away with you when you go.
Ah, I've got just the right number of sugar canes.
Hey, Simone, want some more? Here you go.
Simone, the sugarcane farmer, must carry his canes down the road. To carry his stack, he needs 10 canes exact. Help him prepare the right load.
To turn the page and hear my story, click on the arrow.
He needs 10 canes exact. Help him prepare the right load.
To turn the page and hear my story, click on the arrow.
Each day he starts with a bundle of sugarcane stacked on his tray. He only goes when he's loaded with 10. Help him to cart it away.
Help me carry 10 sugar canes down the road. To add canes to my stack, click on the bundle of canes I need. Then bring it over to my tray. To subtract canes from my stack, you can click on the bundles on my tray and carry them to the field. Hey, I can carry more than that. Add more. I can still carry more. I need 10 canes. I can still... Correcto! Good job!
Sometimes his load is too heavy, and sometimes his load is too light. He needs 10 to progress, no more and no less. So make sure his number is right.
Hey! Good job!
Carefully carrying sugarcane takes all of the skill that he's got. The trick is to shift just 10 with each trip before he begins his next trot.
Oof! Oof! Help me carry 10 sugar canes down the road. To add canes to my stack, click on the bundle of canes. To subtract canes from my... Oof! 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 Muchas gracias. Thank you.
Now that the canes are delivered, he has a new standard to meet, because he's always itching to trot to the kitchen where there's sweet food left over to eat. Welcome to Simone's Sugarcane Bakery. Let's help Simone and his pastry assistants, Mr. Less and Mr. Moore, make some desserts.
Ah, buenos dias, my friends.
First, we'll need to change these sugar canes into cups of sugar. This sugar cruncher needs 10 sugar canes at a time to make cups of sugar. 9. We can take 2 bundles of sugar canes from the shelves and place them in the 2 cane grinding baskets. We need 2 bundles that add up to 10. 9. 1.
How sweet it is! Let's make the sugar.
Keep going. We need more sugar. 7. 3. Keep going. We need more sugar. 6. 4. Good job. 8. 2.
Look at all this sugar.
Let's see what's on the dessert menu. Let's clear out the bottom rack by making desserts. This rack holds 10 cups of sugar. Which dessert should we make? Click on a dessert to find out what it is. Click it again to help Simone to make it. You can make a dessert as many times as you want if you have enough sugar.
To make fried dough, we'll need 5 cups of sugar. To make a milkshake, we'll need 9 cups of sugar. To make a cornmeal cake, we'll need 3 cups of sugar.
This rack holds 10 cups of sugar. We can choose desserts that all together will use up all 10 cups of sugar from the rack.
Here goes.
We have 7 cups of sugar left in the rack. What else can we make?
To make hot chocolate, we'll need 1 cup of sugar. To make mango mousse, we'll need 7 cups of sugar.
We have 6 cups of sugar left in the rack. What else can we make? We have 1 cup of sugar left in the rack. What else can we make? Look! Here comes Mr. Moore to help Simone.
Looks like you'll be needing more of these.
Whoops! Time to make more sugar. Good job.
Ah, the sweet smell of success. Let's play again.
The chef's hats show how many sugarcane shelves you've cleared out. Clean out 5 shelves and 5 sugar crunchers to collect an activity star. Click on your chef's hat to begin a new game. We can take 2 bundles of sugar canes from the shelves and place them in the 2 cane grinding baskets. We need 2 bundles that add up to 12. 10. 2.
Pretty soon, we'll need some more canes.
Keep going. We need more sugar. 7. 5. Good job. 9. 3. Good job. 6. 6.
Check out all this azúcar we've got.
Let's see what's on the dessert menu. Let's clear out the bottom rack by making desserts. This rack holds 12 cups of sugar. Which dessert should we make? Click on a dessert to find out what it is. Click it again to help Simone to make it. You can make a dessert as many times as you want if you have enough sugar.
To make mango mousse, we'll need 7 cups of sugar. To make banana chips, we'll need 2 cups of sugar. To make cookies, we'll need 4 cups of sugar.
Oh boy! More desserts!
We have 8 cups of sugar left in the rack. What else can we make? We have 6 cups of sugar left in the rack. What else can we make? We have 2 cups of sugar left in the rack. What else can we make? Look! Here comes Mr. Les to help Simone.
These won't last long.
Whoops! Time to make more sugar. Good job!
Muy bien! Play again!
Click on your chef's hat to begin a new game. We can take 2 bundles of sugar canes from the shelves and place them in the 2 cane grinding baskets. We need 2 bundles that add up to 14, 10, 4.
Uh-oh, we'll be drowning in sugar. Unless I can help.
Keep going. We need more sugar. 7. Keep going. We need more sugar. 6, 8. Keep going. We need more sugar. 9, 5.
Whoa! Massive amounts of sugar!
Let's see what's on the dessert menu. Let's clear out the bottom rack by making desserts. This rack holds 14 cups of sugar. Which dessert should we make?
To make coconut cream, we'll need 6 cups of sugar. To make fried ice cream, we'll need 8 cups of sugar.
Cool. Less sugar.
We have 6 cups of sugar left in the rack. Look! Here comes Mr. Moore to help Simone.
Give. That's all I ever do. Here, have some more.
Whoops! Time to make more sugar. Good job.
Kane, you believe it? Ha 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 ha! You're doing great!
Click on your chef's hat to begin a new game. We can take 2 bundles of sugar canes from the shelves and place them in the 2 cane grinding baskets. We need 2 bundles that add up to 16, 7, 9.
How sweet it is! Let's make the sugar.
Good job! 10, 6. Keep going. going. We need more sugar. 8. 8.
Whoa! Massive amounts of sugar.
Let's see what's on the dessert menu. Let's clear out the bottom rack by making desserts. This rack holds 16 cups of sugar.
To make a milkshake, we'll need 9 cups of sugar. Here we go.
We have 7 cups of sugar left in the rack.
To make mango mousse, we'll need 7 cups of sugar.
Look! Here comes Mr. Les to help Simone.
Take, take, take. That's my motto. All right, I'm loading this out.
Whoops! Time to make more sugar. Good job.
I've got a sweet tooth. One more time.
Click on your chef's hat to we can take 2 bundles of sugar canes from the shelves and place them in the 2 cane grinding basket. We need 2 bundles that add up to 18. 10. 8.
Correcto. Time to crunch up some sugar.
Keep going. 9. 9.
Look at all this sugar.
Let's see what's on the dessert menu. Let's clear out the bottom rack by making desserts. This rack holds 18 cups of sugar.
To make fried ice cream, we'll need 8 cups of sugar. Here goes.
We have 10 cups of sugar left in the rack. What else can we make?
To make cookies, we'll need 4 cups of sugar.
We have 6 cups of sugar left in the rack.
To make a cornmeal cake, we'll need 3 cups of sugar.
We have 3 cups of sugar left in the rack.
To make banana chips, we'll need 2 cups of sugar.
We have
To make hot chocolate, we'll need 1 cup of sugar.
Look! Here comes Mr. Moore to help Simone.
Looks like you'll be needing more of these.
Whoops! Time to make more sugar. Good job.
Wow!
Click on exit if you need a rest or Mr. Les and Mr. Moore work in the sugarcane store. And while Mr. Moore orders all the merchandise, Mr. Les tries to sell all the sugar and spice. Mr. Moore and Mr. Les never seem to progress, 'cause when Mr. Moore starts adding, it's a fact, Mr. Les will always subtract. Mr. Moore tries to fill the store, but he can't seem to Wowie! That math souvenir may help us find the math magician.
Ah, sweet success. I've got all of these great desserts.
Oh, pastries for me? You'll have lace now.
Hey, come back with those. Don't you be stealing those things. It took me many hours to bake those things, so please.
Welcome to the Measurement Mountain House.
There's a beaver over there. Is he the math magician?
Nah, the beaver that lives there is Mac. He's a lumberjack.
Well, his house on the river doesn't seem to be measuring up to his expectations.
Brrr! This house of sticks will freeze me, but the house of logs might please me.
Measuring Mac the lumberjack measures wherever he roams, but his life on the river is making him shiver. He must build himself a warm home.
To turn the page and hear my story, click on the arrow.
Mac always takes just what he needs, or else he takes nothing at all. To build his log cabin, Mac should be grabbing a tree that's 2 shovels tall.
Grab the shovels and move them next to the trees. Now that you've measured from bottom to top, click on the tree and watch as I chop. Now that you've measured from, that is it! This one's for you! Click. You did it! Turn the page!
As you can see, Mac was quite pleased by your quick thinking reply. Now see if you can help him out of this jam. Find him a tree 3 boots high.
Now that you've measured from, good for you. It is perfect. Click. You did it! Turn the page.
Now Mac needs a tree that's 5 boots tall. He'll chop that one with pleasure. He wants to protect trees, so he'll only select trees that match with the length that you measure.
Just right. Let's take it away. You did it! Turn the page.
Now Mac has all the wood he needs, but he's in quite a fix. He's never built a home from logs. He's used to using sticks. Let's help Mac build a log cabin. We can use the log cutting machine. Click on the green arrow to push the log out. Are you ready to cut that log? If you are, then click on the saw. After the log is cut, click on it and drag it into the cabin frame. Are you ready to cut that log?
Hey, it's a little drafty in here. Can you cut some more logs to fill in the hole? Beautiful handiwork. Can you do it again?
The houses show how many cabins you've built. Build 5 log cabins to earn your star. Click on the next house to build another one. This is Sawduster, our recycle bin. To recycle a log, click on the log, then feed it to Sawduster. You shouldn't put any logs in there. That's where the door goes.
Hey, it's a little drafty in here. Can you cut some more logs to fill in the hole? Great job! Let's do it another way.
Click on the next house to build another one. Use the boot prints to figure out how long the log should be. This is Sawduster.
Beautiful! I cannot wait for my warm house.
Come back later, we're doing the dishes.
I don't do windows unless you do logs. Hey, it's a little drafty in here. Can you cut some more logs to fill in the hole? Great job! Let's do it another way.
Click on the next house to build another one. Use the beaver paw prints to figure out how long the log should be.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Come back later. We're doing the dishes.
This is sawdust.
Hey, it's a little drafty in here. Can you cut some more logs to fill in the hole? Can it go somewhere else? If not, feed it to Sawduster, our log recycler. Très chic. But now, I'd like to remodel.
Click on the next house to build another one.
Excuse me.
We shouldn't put any logs in there. That's where the window goes. Use the beaver paw prints to figure out how long the log should be. We shouldn't put any logs in there.
Hey, it's a little drafty in here. Can you cut some more logs to fill in the holes? I love my new warm toasty house. Merci.
Wow!
Click on Exit if you need a rest, or keep clicking on the houses to choose your own cabin.
I put my best foot forward, I move inch by inch. I'd walk 1,000,000 miles, it would be a cinch. I'm in my own backyard, measuring up my landscape. I'm a fat-tailed beaver with a measuring tape. So they call me Measuring Mac, and I'm here to say that you can measure anything in any kind of way. You can measure with a shovel, with a boot, or with a chain. You can measure at your leisure if your units keeps the same. You can measure at your leisure if your units keep the same. They call me Measuring Mac. I measure everywhere I roam, and I can parlez-vous on the microphone.
There's our souvenir! That math souvenir may help us find the math magician.
Thanks, merci. You've been a great help. Now I'll use these sticks to keep my new house warm.
I smell something cooking.
I wonder what's cooking with those cats.
Well, only a tale will tell. Let's check out their story.
I'm so hungry. Me too.
We're off to the land of sugarcane addition.
Hola! Welcome to Simone's Sugarcane Bakery.
We're off to the land of pizza fractions. Ho-ho!
Here are Francesca and Frederico Cat, looking for pizza pie.
There's no food here. To help us find pizza, click on the page arrow.
First, they find a juicy slice of melon and decide to share it.
Feed us equal shares of melon.
2 halves, 2 over 2.
Make sure we each get a piece of prosciutto.
1 half, 1 over 2. 0 parts, it's all gone.
Grazie. Good job.
Ciao.
Fabio joins the 2 cats on their pie search. Look, a tart with 6 strawberries, he declares with delight.
Feed us equal shares of the tart.
Make sure everyone gets the same number of strawberries.
3/3, 3 over 3. Fabio joins the 2 cats on their pie search.
Feed us equal shares of the tart.
Make sure everyone gets the same number of strawberries.
2/3, 2 over 3. 1/3, 1 over 3.
Yummy!
0 parts, it's all gone.
Thanks. Good job.
Ciao.
Felicia is on her way to the pizza parlor when she runs into her hungry friends. Want to come along? She asks. Sure, they cry out. But first, let's share this piece of lasagna, says Francesca.
Feed us equal shares of lasagna.
Wow! We each get 3 olives.
4/4, 4 over 4. 3/4, 3 over 4. 2/4, 2 over 4.
Thanks.
1/4, 1 over 4. 0 parts, it's all gone.
Good job.
Ciao!
So, with Felicia leading the way, the cats are finally off to find what they were looking for all along. Pizza.
It's my pizza pie.
Buongiorno! Welcome to this fine pizzeria. Use these pizza cutters to cut the pizza, and then give an equal amount of pizza to each cat. Buon appetito!
Thanks.
I can't believe I ate the whole thing.
Pizza pieces show how many times you've fed the cat. Collect 5 pizza pieces to earn a star. Click on the pizza piece to feed the cats again.
Meow, 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 meow.
Place a pizza slice onto one of the plates. Place a pizza slice
Thanks.
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 Meow, meow, meow. I need a nap.
Click on the pizza piece to feed the cats again.
Thanks.
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 I'm so full.
Click on the pizza piece to feed the cats again. Place a pizza slice onto one of the plates.
Thanks.
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 Give me more. Not.
Click on the pizza piece to feed the cats again.
I would like more.
Place a piece.
Thanks.
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 I'm so full.
Wow!
Click on exit if you need a rest, or keep clicking on the pizza pieces to choose your own game.
It's late at night and in the street we cats are on the prowl, scratching, sniffing and exploring everything we see.
When suddenly we stop because we hear a great big growl.
Is it a dog?
No, it's my stomach. I'm hungry.
All at once we all let out a cry. Meow, 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 meow. For our favorite food, pizza pie. 'Cause we love pepperoni, mozzarella, ham and provolone.
No, Ricotta, what's the matter?
Hey, I want bologna.
Peppers, anchovies, salami.
And with still about that.
We cover everything with lots of parmesan. La 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 la, la 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 la, lots of parmesan. Hey! Suddenly we realize we're headed for big trouble. 'Cause each of us would like to eat up all the pizza pie.
We need to find a way to solve this problem on the double, or there will be a cat fight.
And the bird, she's gonna fly.
If we don't make it fair,
I'm gonna lose some hair.
It's a time for action.
Time to make a fraction.
because the
Number on the top will tell how many that we want. The number on the bottom tells how many we have in all. A fraction gives us what we need to know, and that is why fractions help us pick a perfect piece of pizza pie. La 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 la, la 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 la, piece of pizza pie. Hey!
Terrific! That math souvenir may help us find the math magician.
I can't believe I ate the whole thing. Me, neither.
A theater? I'm sure I'll find the math magician here.
Well, you'd better look before you leapfrog.
I need a big break.
A gardening frog named Florina was also a fine ballerina. She danced with great ease, throwing seeds to the breeze, creating a floral arena.
To help me plant the flowers, click on the arrow and turn the page.
Florina has flowers to plant with the cool mathematical slant. She'll plant 4 at a time into 3 even lines. See if she can or she can't.
Click on the flowers, then drag them to the planter box. That's it! Turn the page.
Now that her garden is growing, her talents can really start showing. In groupings of 3, how nice it will be. Come on, please help her get going.
That's it! Turn the page.
This long flower bed must have room for 12 flower blossoms to bloom. Planting 6 in each row, you can watch them all grow as they give off their fragrant perfume.
That's it! Turn the page.
Now that the planting is through, we'll divide up the flowers in 2. For helping Florina, we'll split them between you and give 6 of these flowers to you.
That's it! Turn the page.
It's showtime! Let's shake a bug's leg. Which bugs do you want for this dance number? When the total number of bug legs on stage equals a number on a chair, click on the chair. To start, click on the bug you want and drag it onto the stage. Click on a seat number when it matches with the number of bug legs we've got on stage. Fill in all the seats and Florina will dance. Fill up all seats in the audience to start the show. There's a big crowd tonight. Break a frog's leg. That was perfect. Now it's showtime. The flowers show how many dances Ballerina has performed. Collect 5 bouquets and earn your star. Click on the chairs for a musical surprise, or click on your bouquet to begin a new show. Eight, 6, 4, 16, 25. There's a big crowd tonight. Break a frog's leg. And now, for a riveting performance, Florina the prima ballerina! Click on the chairs for a musical surprise. There's a big crowd tonight. Break a frog's leg. And now, for our star attraction, Florina's Frog Finger Dance. Click on the chairs for a There's a big crowd tonight. Break a frog's leg. Florina, you're on. Click on the chairs for a musical surprise. There's a big crowd tonight. Break a frog's leg. It's a full house tonight. You can croak, but don't choke.
Hooray!
Click on Exit if you need a rest, or keep clicking on the bouquets to choose your own dance.
If you got 3 and you need 3 more, then you got 6, but you need 3 more. Then you got 9, but you need 3 more. Then you got 12, that's 3 times 4. Well, you could add, but adding takes so long. And though it's sad, you might get it wrong. So adding and adding and adding and adding is driving you out of your mind. Try out multiplication, it'll save you a lot of time.
There's our souvenir! That math souvenir may help us find the math magician. It's cold here. Hey, look over there. Is that Walrus the math magician?
He seems to be on top of the world. But I think he's about to encounter a problem of geometric proportions.
That last attack damaged our snow fort. Can you use these snow blocks to fill the hole? Give it a try. Click on a shape and move it to the hole in the igloo. Press on the spacebar if you need to turn the shape.
Well, I need a little fresh air.
Click on the next small igloo to patch another hole. Collect 5 small igloos to earn a star.
Thanks a whole lot. That's much better. Thanks. That's much better. Thanks. Way to go! Uh-oh, here comes the snow.
Beautiful work!
Click on exit if you need a rest, or keep clicking on the small igloos to choose your own puzzle. Let's do some more later.
Fort Snow is under attack. I need your help. Click on the snow shape to throw a snowball. Knock all 3 snow bullies down to earn a star. Click on a shape that will not roll. Click on a shape with 4 corners. Which shape has exactly 4 sides? Find a shape that will roll. Find a shape with 2 more sides than a square. Find a shape with more sides than a triangle. Which one looks like a full moon? Which shape has less than 4 sides? Which shape has more than 3 corners? Which shape has less than 4 corners? Click on a square. Which shape has 4 sides that are all the same length? Find a shape that is round. Click on a hexagon. Which shape has more than 3 sides? Click on a shape with no corners.
I'm so happy for you.
You got 15 correct out of 16 tries. Yowie! That math souvenir may help us find the math magician.
Everything's safe here now. Go on. Go find the math magician.
Wow, what's going on here?
It's the Addition Olympics.
Can I compete?
Go on. Race for first place. Plus a whole lot more.
And they're off. Well, not quite. These cows are getting ready to begin their balloon race across the Alps. But they can't begin the race until the right number of cows are in the air. To get the race going, we need a total of 36 cows in the sky. Now let's see. Each helium balloon carries 1 cow. Each hot air balloon carries 10 cows. We can use the thumbtack to sink any balloon and bring it down to the ground. We can use the wand to change 1 hot air balloon into 10 single cows holding helium balloons. This is the thumbtack. Use it to pop balloons and sink them.
Hey, what's your beef? Whoa! Bye!
Moving right along. Moving right along.
All right, you made it safe to fly. We did it. Now the race can begin. And the hot air balloons show you how many races you've started. Help start 5 races to collect an activity star. Click on your hot air balloon to begin a new game. If we need to, we can also add balloons by carrying them from up here and dropping them into the sky. To use the thumbtack, click on it and drag it over to the balloon you want to pop. To use the wand, click on it and drag it over to the balloon you want to change. You are utterly fabulous. Good job. We did it. Now the race can begin. And click on your hot air balloon to begin a new game. This is the chalet. It shows you how many cows you started out with and how many cows you need to have in the air in order to start the race.
Bye!
All right, you made it safe to fly. We did it. Now the race can begin. And click on your hot air balloon to begin a new game.
Whoa!
knew you could do it. We did it. Now the race can begin. And click on your hot air balloon to begin a new game. You changed one balloon carrying 10 cows into 10 balloons carrying 1 cow each. All right, you made it safe to fly. We did it. Now the race can begin. And
Stellar job!
click on exit if you need a rest, or keep clicking on the little hot air balloons to select your own race.
Oh no! The ski team needs our help! They're stranded on that mountain. Let's help all 10 skiers get down the mountain before the snowball squashes them into Swiss cheese. Skiers must ski over the rocks that are equal to the number on the red starting gate flag. Click on the correct rocks to guide each skier down the hill. Way to go!
Look out!
Nice move! Great going! You did it! You did it! Way to go!
Look out!
Nice move! Great going!
Here they come!
Good for you! You did it!
I'm so happy for you!
You got 10 correct out of 10 tries. Yowie! That math souvenir may help us find the math magician.
See you later! See you later!
That math souvenir may help us find the math magician. Click on it. Check out that store. Wait for the train.
Ah, the most successful trading store in the East. By most measures, owned and run by Mira Big Era, and she's about to encounter a sizable problem.
Oh dear me, I'm so discombobulated. So many trades to make before our family trip. Oh, hello there. May I help you?
Are you ready to trade? For this round, we're measuring weights in kilograms. And everything is worth its weight in gold. When the two scale pans hold the same weight, we have a trade. Click on any item you want and drag it onto the empty scale pan. Bowling ball. You can put more items on the scale pan than that. Elephant statue. Plant. Pumpkin. Bananas. Book. Bowling ball.
That's a fair trade.
Nice work. Make 3 fair trades to earn a ticket. Elephant statue. You can put more items on the scale pan than that. Bowling ball. Plant. Pumpkin.
I can see that it's even. Let's trade.
Elephant statue. You can put more items on the scale pan than that. Elephant statue.
Yes, the scales are balanced. Bag it, please.
Good job! It'll be smooth scaling from here on in. The tickets show how many trades you've made. Collect 5 train tickets to earn your star. Click on the ticket to help the next customer. Let's help Mira Bagheera make a fair trade. Are you ready to trade? For this round, we're measuring weights in pounds. And everything is worth its weight in silver. Candelabra. Sewing machine. Fruit. Jewel. Pitcher. Fabric. Candelabra. Candelabra. Sewing machine.
I can see straight. What a good deal.
Candelabra. Fabric. Fruit. Fruit.
That's a fair trade.
Candelabra. You can put more items on the scale pan than that. Carpet. Carpet.
I can see straight. What a good deal.
Nice balancing act. Click on the ticket to help the next customer. Let's help Mira Bagheera make a fair trade. Are you ready to trade? For this round, we're measuring weights in ounces, and everything is worth its weight in copper. Dried peas, beans, cumin, wheat, coffee, cotton. Dried peas. You can put more items on the scale pan than that. Beans. Beans. Wheat. Cotton. Coffee. Coffee. Cumin.
That's a fair trade.
Pitcher. You can put more items on the scale pan than that. Beans. Beans. Coffee. Cotton. Wheat. Coffee. Coffee. Beans. Cotton. Wheat. Coffee. Cotton. Tea. Tea.
I can see straight. What a good deal.
Dried peas. Beans. Wheat. Coffee.
Yes, the scales are balanced. Bag it, please.
Way to go! You've earned a ticket. Click. Let's help Mira Bagheera make a fair trade. Are you ready to trade? For this round, we're measuring weights in peanuts. And everything is worth its weight in peanuts. Peanut butter. You can put more items on the scale pan than that. Tea. Spices.
Yes, the scales are balanced. Bag it, please.
Dried peas. You can wheat. Cumin.
That's a fair trade.
Jewel. You can put more items on the scale. Cumin.
I can see straight. What a good deal.
Great! You keep scaling higher and higher. Let's help Mira Bagheera make necklace. You can put necklace. Cumin.
Yes, the scales are balanced. Bag it, please.
Cumin. Cumin. Tea.
I can see straight. What a good deal.
Dried peas. Beans. 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 Coffee. Cumin. Cumin. Cotton. Wheat. Beans. Dried peas. Cumin. Cotton. Wheat. Beans. Cumin. 7. Dried peas. Coffee. Beans. Beans. Dried peas. Wheat. Coffee. Wheat. Cotton. Cotton. 980 peanuts. Dried peas. Beans. Cumin. Cotton. Cotton. Wheat. Coffee. Beans. Cotton. 800. 800. Select more goods until you make the two sides balance. Dried peas. Cumin. Cumin. Coffee. Cotton. 1,000 peanuts. Cumin. Wheat.
That's a fair trade.
Good job! It'll be smooth scaling from here on in.
Superstar!
Click exit if you need a break, or keep clicking on the train tickets to stock the shelves your own way. The trains are crowded today. Find the animal that is the same height as the empty rail car. Look at the empty rail car. Then look at all of the animals waiting for the train. Click on the animal that is the same height as the empty rail car. Good eye. Good job. Click on the... Good job. Good eye. Good eye. What a view. Good eye. Good eye. Good job. You got 9 correct out of 12 prize. The trains are crowded today. Find the animal that is the same height as the empty rail car. Look at the empty rail car. Then... What a view! Good eye. Good job. Good eye. Good eye. Good job. Good eye. Good job. Click on the animal that is all aboard. Good eye.
Yahoo!
You got 10 correct out of 12 tries. Yowie! That math souvenir may help us find the math magician.
Wait for us! Wait for us!
Click on the souvenir to collect it. Hey! There's someone out there in the water. Can that be the math magician?
I don't know. He looks kind of crabby to me.
La 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 la.
Greetings. Welcome to the Orange Juice Cafe on the island.
Reggie Toucan is pretty thirsty. Let's make him his favorite tropical drinks. Just make sure each drink is different. To begin, click on the lighter token and drag it to one of the slots. Drop the token in one of the slots. Try to make Reggie Toucan 4 different tropical drinks.
Yummy! That tasted great! Yummy! That tasted great! Yeah, Mom, just what I wanted.
Yummy! That tasted great!
Super! You've earned some juicy pieces of orange. The orange pieces show how many rounds of tropical drinks you've made. Collect 5 piles of juicy orange pieces to earn a star. Click on your juicy orange pieces to play some more. Drop the token.
Yeah, Mom, just what I wanted. Too tasty. Yeah, Mom, just what I wanted. Delightful. Yeah, Mom, just what I wanted. Yeah, Mom.
Drop the token.
Too tasty. Yeah, Mom. Too tasty.
This is a juice dispenser.
Delightful. Yeah, Mom, just what I wanted.
This is a juice dispenser.
Yeah, Mom, just what I wanted. Thanks, Tanky. Delightful. Yummy! That tasted great! Delightful.
Hooray!
Click on your juicy orange pieces to play some more.
Hey, man! Glad you could make it. These hermit crabs be needing new homes. This crab shell home is missing a piece. Find the piece that's missing from his shell. Click on the bubble with the correct shell piece. Find the piece that's missing from his shell.
Ooh, lively, eh?
Click on the bubble with the correct shell piece. Find the piece that's missing.
Just right. Thanks.
Click on the bubble with the correct shell piece.
This one's perfect. Your swordfish are all gone. I guess I'll get my home next.
You got 3 correct out of 12 tries.
Hey, man!
This one's perfect.
Find the piece that's missing. Click on the button.
Ooh, lively, eh?
I'll catch you later. Hey, man!
Ooh, lively, eh?
Find it. Click on the bubble. Catch you later.
Ooh, lively, eh?
Find it.
Ooh, yeah. Thanks. This one's perfect. Ooh, yeah, thanks. Just right, thanks. Ooh, lively, eh? Ooh, yeah, thanks. Ooh, yeah, thanks. Ooh, yeah, thanks. Ooh, lively, eh?
You make me smile.
You got 10 correct out of 12 tries. Yowie! That math souvenir may help us find the math magician.
My home is my castle.
Nice. Looks like some fertile ground for a math magician. Well, I'd say the crops are certainly multiplying. Whoa! Check out that river!
Our goal is to plant crops to fill the riverbed farm. Before we can plant a crop, we have to figure out how big we want it to be by using the multiplication box. First, choose a crop from up here. Just click on the crop you want to plant and drag it over to the multiplication box. That's a number button. First, click on a crop and drag it to the multiplication box. Then, click on the number button and watch your crops multiply. To make your crop grow bigger, click on one of the number buttons on top of the screen and snap! You'll be multiplying. Great! You're multiplying. When your crop is the size that you want it to be, drag it over to the riverbed and plant it. If you want to remove your crop, click on Ramses the Remover and he'll take your crop away. Corn. Watermelon. tomato. That crop doesn't fit there. Place it somewhere. Small rivers show how many riverbed farms you've planted. Plant crops in 5 riverbed farms to earn a star. Click on your small river to start planting in a new riverbed farm. Discover the riches of the Nile riverbed farm. Lemons. Corn. the wonders of the Nile River. It is time to plant our crops. Lemons. Corn. Wheat. Oranges. That crop doesn't fit this. sunflowers. Lemons. Tomatoes. Corn.
Beautiful work!
Click on Exit if you need a rest, or keep clicking on the small rivers to choose your own riverbed. Help me get to the center of the times table too. Let's find a map that reveals the math magician's whereabouts. Look at the problem written on the scroll. To open a door, find the door that has the correct answer and click on it. Open all 10 doors correctly before we run out of jewels. Good thinking. Good thinking. Good thinking. Nice job. All right. Good thinking. Nice job! Good timesing! Nice job! All right!
Beautiful work!
You got 10 correct out of 10 tries. There's our souvenir! That math souvenir may help us find the math magician.
Ta-da!
Wow! Here we are! I made it! I'm going to meet the math magician! I've learned everything you said. I can count in fives and twos and in fractions if I choose. I can measure with an axe or shoe, whatever I want to use. I can multiply, subtract, and add all the numbers in my path. I have journeyed through 10 math lands, and I can do math. So where's the math magician?
Right there!
It's me! I am the math magician! Yeah! I am the master of Math Mountain! I can do mathematics! I can do anything I want! And I want to chase you! I'm gonna get you! No way! You better look out!
You've completed the journey! You're the math magician! Click on any of the math lands to continue playing.
Click on the mountain in the center of the map to return to Math Mountain.
We're off to the... Here's your progress report. Educational benefits. Educational benefits. Educational benefits.
Do you want to stop playing? I'm counting on seeing you again.